Bourguignon, the name itself sings of rustic French kitchens, of hearty meals shared with loved ones around a fire. It is a dish that embodies warmth and generosity. Today we embark on a culinary adventure, guided by the spirit of Julia Child. We will transform simple ingredients into a symphony of flavors, a testament to the magic of French cooking. This is more than just following a recipe. This is about experiencing the joy of cooking. It's about the sizzle of bacon, the rich aroma of wine, and the anticipation of a truly satisfying meal. So, tie on an apron, open a bottle of Burgundy, and let us begin. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. This is the first and most crucial step in creating a memorable French feast. Like an artist selecting colors for a masterpiece, we choose each component with care. Every ingredient plays a vital role in the final dish. We need 6 ounces of good quality bacon diced. This will add a smoky depth to our dish. Then 3 pounds of beef chuck cut into 2-inch cubes. This hearty meat will be the star of our stew. These will become meltingly tender during their long bath in wine, absorbing all the rich flavors. Our vegetables add sweetness and depth. They are essential for balancing the flavors. We'll use 1 large carrot and 1 onion, both sliced. These will provide a subtle sweetness and a hint of earthiness. 2 cloves of garlic minced will lend their pungent aroma. Garlic is a cornerstone of many French dishes. A tablespoon of tomato paste adds a touch of sweetness and richness. It also helps to thicken our sauce. Finally, the stars of the show, a bottle of Burgundy wine, rich and fruity, and 2 cups of beef broth, the backbone of our flavorful sauce. These liquids will meld together, creating a symphony of flavors that will elevate our dish to new heights. Now, the real fun begins. In a large Dutch oven, we sauté the diced bacon over medium heat until it's crisp and golden. Remove the bacon, but leave the rendered fat. It holds precious flavor. Season the beef generously with salt and pepper. Working in batches, we sear the beef until it develops a beautiful brown crust on all sides. This caramelization is crucial for the rich flavor of the stew. Remove the beef and set it aside. In the same pot, we sauté the sliced carrots and onions until softened, then add the minced garlic and tomato paste. Section 4. The symphony of flavors, onions, mushrooms, and wine. These 3 ingredients are the cornerstone of our dish, each bringing its own unique character to the table. Now, it's time for the wine. The rich, deep notes of the Burgundy will elevate our dish to new heights. Pour in the Burgundy, let it bubble, and scrape up all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom of the pot. These bits are packed with flavor and will enrich our sauce. This is called deglazing, and it adds incredible depth to the sauce. The wine helps to release all those delicious flavors that have caramelized on the bottom. Return the bacon and beef to the pot, along with the beef broth, a teaspoon of dried thyme, and a bay leaf for added fragrance. These ingredients will infuse the dish with layers of complexity. Bring the mixture to a simmer, cover the pot, and slide it into a preheated 325-degree oven. Now, we wait. The slow cooking process will allow all the flavors to meld beautifully. For the next few hours, our kitchen will be filled with the most tantalizing aroma as the beef becomes incredibly tender and the flavors meld. This is the magic of slow cooking, where patience truly pays off. Section 5. Serving with joy, a tribute to Julia. As our Boeuf Bourguignon works its magic in the oven, we prepare a simple yet delightful garnish to complement its rich flavors. We'll sauté a pound of pearl onions and a pound of quartered mushrooms in butter until they turn a beautiful golden brown, releasing their savory aroma. These sautéed vegetables add a touch of elegance and an earthy flavor to our rustic stew, enhancing its depth and complexity. Finally, it's time. Ladle the Boeuf Bourguignon into bowls, spooning those glistening onions and mushrooms over the top, creating a visually stunning and mouth-watering presentation. Serve with a side of buttery egg noodles or crusty bread, perfect for soaking up every last drop of the rich, flavorful sauce that makes this dish so special. As we savor each bite, we remember Julia Child, whose infectious enthusiasm and passion for cooking brought the joys of French cuisine into our homes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious adventures. Additionally, you may follow our Instagram account for more mouth-watering food inspiration. The link is in description. Bon appetit!